Hello guys, my name is Jayendra and you are watching Techno Jayendra. Today I am going to start the web development series. Please subscribe to my channel for future updates. And now we will learn the WordPress development. WordPress is a CMS which is developed in PHP. So we will know what is WordPress. So WordPress is a free and open source content management system based on PHP and MySQL. Released in 2003 and developed by WordPress Foundation. Its official website is wordpress.org. In WordPress, we develop multiple sites, basically blogging sites, and we can also develop the e-commerce site using various plugins in WordPress. So we will go to the official site of WordPress. Here we can download the WordPress for free because it is an open source project. So here download WordPress. I have already downloaded the WordPress. To use WordPress, we will need a web server like XAMPP or WAMP. We will download XAMPP first from this website. For Windows, we will download the latest version of XAMPP with PHP 7.3.0. Now we will go to the folder where we have downloaded our XAMPP. Now we will install the XAMPP from here. I have already downloaded the XAMPP, so we will install it. So I have already installed the XAMPP, so it will show me a message: the selected folder is not empty, please select a different folder. So guys, from here you will click on next and you can install the XAMPP. So we will skip this because I have already installed XAMPP. We will start XAMPP. We have to start Apache and MySQL. We can start from XAMPP control panel to access control panel. We will go to C drive and then XAMPP folder and XAMPP control. This is the icon for XAMPP control panel. We can access from here, or simply you can press start and type XAMPP, and you can also start this control panel. Now we will learn how to install WordPress in our system. So first locate the file where we have downloaded the WordPress. Now we will copy the WordPress file and go to the XAMPP folder. Now we will navigate to htdocs and we will make a folder here, wp tutorial. Here we will paste our WordPress file and extract here. Now we can delete this zipped file. Move all files to the parent directory, and we will delete WordPress. Now we need a database, MySQL database to install WordPress. So we will access our database server, localhost, host, php admin. My admin. Now from here we can create a new database. So we will name it same as our folder name, WP tutorial. You can change the name whatever you want, no issue. We have created a database. The database created without any table. We will leave it blank as it is, and we will access our folder which we have pasted in htdocs. Localhost. Now WP tutorial. Here you will find a wizard to install WordPress on your server. So here you can select the language, multiple languages. So I will select English. Now let's go. It will need database name, database username, database password, database host. So let's go. So we have created the database with name WP tutorial and username. The default username of localhost is root and the password is nothing, blank. A database host is localhost. Table prefix, it is prefix which is added before the name of any table. So leave it as it is and we will next submit and now run the installation. Now from here we can set the title of our website. Then we will name it tutorial. Here we will set a username to access the admin area. So we will use admin as a username and now password. Try to use a strong password, but here I will use a very simple password. We will need an email. I have entered my email. From here you can discourage search engines from indexing the site. This is for uploading the website on the server. We will cover it later. Now it is installed successfully. We need to log in to admin area using username admin and whatever password we have entered. So we will use admin username and password 123456. Now remember me and then login. It's our dashboard for admin of this site. From here we can manage our site. So it's done for now. We will cover another part in next videos. The menu structure and file folders, plugins, users, appearance, themes, tools, settings. All topics will be covered in next tutorials and we will learn to develop a WordPress project in PHP. So thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Like, and share this video.